Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at the Intermat pre-event press conference with Bridget. Bridget, we are in France here talking about Ammann and what you're going to be showing. And this is a dual interview because here we're going to be talking about asphalt paving plants and you're the equipment specialist.
Yes.
Tell me about what's going on with Ammann at Intermat then this year.
We are focused on the electrical machine and new technology with a new walk behind with a steerable drum for the first time in the world.
Wow. You've heard it here first, folks. You're going to be able to see it at Intermat. So that's going to be on the stand.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And of course, I've seen in the UK some of your smaller electric rollers as well. They're making a big impression, aren't they?
Yeah, the EIRX 26.
Yep.
Yeah. They are in France too. They are on the booth. They are special focus just for the electrical machines.
Yep.
For the Raymer and for the mini excavator. All the machines are electrical. Of course, we show all the machine we have
in the range.
In the range, of course, but the focus is on the electrical machine.
Fantastic.
For my part.
So there you go, folks. That's the first part. We're going to jump into now the second part with your colleague who's going to be sat here. So I'm afraid I'm going to need to sit where you are, Bridget. Bye for now. George has now joined us. George, you are in control of the asphalt plant and things like that. And that is something I've seen recently in my series, can be found on my channels, folks. But tell me what people are going to see at the Intermat show from the asphalt section of Ammann.
Big pleasure to be present to Intermat and show our new asphalt technology.
Yep.
Mainly on the environment aspect,
because
we are focusing a lot on it because the European rules are changing, and for sure everybody here wants to have the best asphalt plant who is on the green side.
Yeah, exactly. So your green technology days that you had in 2023, really important. But you've also developed technologies around emissions like VOC and blue gases.
Absolutely, yeah. And we are focusing a lot on these technologies. That means today, Ammann is the first manufacturer who has create this material, which is not so expensive. We can adapt it on all plants, even if it is plants produced by our competitors, no problem. We can insert the VRD system, we can insert the BST system, and we can insert also our H2 burner.
Hydrogen burner, folks, loved that. I'm going to put a link into this video for the hydrogen burner and did a piece on that. So what you're saying is retrofitting all of that, not just to Ammann existing plants, but the competitors' plants as well.
Absolutely.
And that's just you helping the industry be more green. And also we talked a lot with your colleagues in my series about the recycling of materials as well. That's so important, isn't it?
Absolutely, that's right. And for sure, when you introduce recycling in the asphalt plant, you create a lot of VOC, sorry, CUV, it's in French. And with this VRD system or BST system, we can cap these emissions and can treat it, and we can reburn the clean gas, let's say.
Yes.
And this it's really important because you reduce substantially your emissions.
Yes.
With the VRD system, for example, we are able to reduce 70% of the VOC emissions. And what is important also, we don't decrease the capacity of the plant. We don't create troubles on the airflow, no problem. That means we can adapt it with all plants, our plants, and retrofit every plant.
And so everybody will be able to see that information about how that works and talk to your experts at the Intermat show then.
The goal is to arrive at the end to be able to have a 0% emission on the plant. That's clear. It is our focus since now several years.
And so what it is, it's a lot greener, and you're going to be able to see all of this, and of course all of the rollers, the compactors, the electrification from Ammann at Intermat. And you're going to be able to see me there as well. I'll be coming along to see the team. So great to meet you today. Have a great rest of your press event. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.